So this particular one, I titled it Power of Makeup. So let's just see what makeup can do, how makeup is going to take your look from 0 to 1000. As you can see. Hi lovers, how you all doing? It's good to have you back. So in today's video, like the title said, power of makeup. So you guys are gonna see what's gonna be like. I will just do makeup on one part of my face while the other part I'm not doing anything on it, so that you, my lovers, can see what makeup can actually do. So first of all, I hydrated my face. I hydrated the whole face using Hydro Boost. Then I moisturize using MS Moisturizer moisture portion. I did this all over the face because my skin needs it. My skin needs it. We're talking about makeup here, not skin prep anyway. So my skin needs it. Throughout shooting of this video, I was just dancing all through. I danced. I think this is the most, will I say, I don't even know how to put it, like most enjoyable video that I've shot in a while. I was just dancing, maybe because I wasn't talking in the video. I was just dancing. So I demarcated the face with my eyeshadow primer so that you, my babies, can see it so well before we start. So just stay with me, just watch me do my thing, the normal makeup routine on this part of the face, and of course the dancing, the crease, and everything that goes on. So this is the foundation I use. I use sylvimark foundation for it, and I apply that all over my face. I forgot one thing. There's one thing that normally happens in my video. Maybe it's my camera or the light I'm using. Anytime I use my normal shade of foundation to shoot a video, it will appear as if the foundation is lighter than my shade. So I started using a darker shade, but here I actually forgot that. I went in with my normal shade. But you guys see how it's looking. It's not looking bad. So I contoured. You see that, you guys know me, everything I do just little, then I move on to my blush. Baby girl, if you want to look cute with your makeup, make sure you do your blush. Don't ever skip your blush. Don't ever try that, because it's gonna make you look younger, it's gonna make you look more beautiful, it's gonna make you look more feminine yet. So the concealer I use is from Blossom Cosmetics. I use this shade, then I later noticed that it's not bright enough real life, but in camera it seems as if it was okay. Though I later went back and added a brighter shade because I was looking at my video, I wasn't seeing the camera well. Just so I gave that a few minutes, like a minute or 2 minutes to set, then I blended. And then this is the brighter one I used from Zikel Cosmetics. I just added it at the inner corners of the eye. That just it, and I blended it. So I'm still grooving, dancing, guys. Like, maybe because I knew I wasn't talking in the video, so I had to play music. You know, one thing with YouTube is that you won't play music, background music. You're gonna get copyright issues. So I don't normally play music anytime I'm filming, and it makes it boring. Like, but this one I decided that I'll use voiceover for the video, so I was playing my music, I was dancing. I highlighted with merak setting powder. No, sorry, I set with merak setting powder, not highlighting. So you guys can see that everything is coming together. You're seeing the difference already. Is there already? Are you guys seeing it? So I went in with my pressed powder to set the rest of the face. Yes, the powder palette I use is a becharm ageless powder palette. Our dog is barking again. I don't know what's wrong with this dog. It will continue to bark from morning till night. So I said, let me do my brows. So that's it. I use David's pencil. That's what I normally use, or I will use brow gel, karite brow gel, the brown one. So highlighting, I use that same concealer I used on my face. That's what I use to highlight the brows. And you guys see, I have a detailed video on how to do your brows also. If you didn't get everything in this video, go back to that one. So we'll get it there, okay? Not one, not two. I think I have up to 3 or 4 videos on that, even shorts. So I blended that and then I added my eyeshadow primer. This is benign eyeshadow primer. If you want to use this, just use a little, okay, my baby? Just a little will go a long way. Yeah. So still cruising, still cruising. I started doing my eyeshadow. You guys see what I'm doing? I first use a brown shade and then I'm adding this darker one. Like I told you guys, your eyeshadow process, you build it up. I have videos on that, so you know the steps. Everything in makeup have steps of doing it. So if you want to achieve a good result, you guys follow the steps, okay? So still on eyeshadow matter, oh, but you guys see the face is coming together. I'm still cruising. Don't worry, I think I had to let you guys in on what's happening in the background. Let's just be going first. So I added that shea matte. Then for my gel liner, I use Karite black gel liner to line the waterline. This is how you line your waterline. Then for the lashes and this, I normally use classic lash glue and Chee lashes. I use their bridal collection in this video. Yes, I'm still dancing. So while I was waiting for that glue to get tacky, I had to do my lips. My babies. Yes, and I didn't do much there, and I use imagic lip palette. So this is me fixing the lashes. Yes, from Chee lashes. I think it's from Chee lashes. Let me take a look at it and know where. Yeah, it's Chee lashes, the bridal collection. And I really love the lash. You see what it did to that eye? So I went ahead to blend everything. And for my blush, I use CPD. I am a blush girl. I love blush. So I just hope I didn't do it much in this particular video again. I love blush. But the thing there is that if you're using blush, make sure you're blending it so well. So the mascara I use is from Zaron. I use that to apply that on the bottom lashes. You see the difference that makes. You can't go wrong with that. No, never. You can't. So to set the face, I'm using this setting spray from Omaricode to set the face, to bring the face together, calm down those powders and all those things. Yes, that's what I did. And then for my sheet glaze from TM Essential to add some shine. Don't do this too much so that you won't look greasy. There's a difference between looking greasy and looking glowy. You need to glow. You don't need to look greasy, okay? Yes, and that's it. You see how I'm looking? You see that? So I'm gonna let you guys in on what's happening in the background. Let's see. And if I get copyright issue on this part of the video, I will have to mute it. So if you're watching it and you didn't hear any sound, the sound I was dancing to, just know that I had copyright issue and I needed to mute this part, okay? Yes. Shooting this video has been amazing. I danced all through. This is power of makeup. That's the title of the video. And as you can see,
So tell me makeup isn't doing big things. You know, makeup can take your whole appearance from 0 to 1000. Yes. So, and this video is a proof that makeup can do that. You see how this part is looking so bougie, so good, but this part is looking like, I don't know, I don't even want to go there. But look at it. This is what makeup can do for you. This is what a good makeup can do for you.
And with that, my ladies, we come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and of course subscribe to the channel. And don't forget, I still have a lot of videos that will help in your makeup journey. Till I come your way next time, I am still your favorite makeup artist. I love you guys. Bye.